Well, this is the basket, my friend. Let's go. Taram. Wow, what is this? Okay, my friend. Let's go. We are going to clean them up, my friend. All right. Okay, don't wait, my friend. All right, let's go. I think I'm going to go with this one, my friend. Check this out. So muddy. Okay. What is this? Ta-da! McQueen. Hello, McQueen. Okay, stay there, McQueen. And this one, what is this, my friend? Alright, let's see, my friend. Alright, this is double cabin, my friend. Okay, nice. Cool. Stay there. Double cabin. And this one, what is this, my friend? This is long, my friend. Okay, let's see. Wow, this is long chassis truck, my friend. Okay, stay there. What else, my friend? This one, what is this? Wow, this is amazing. Fire rescue, my friend. Right, stay here, my friend. Okay, what next? Can you guess, my friend, what is this? Okay, amazing dump truck, my friend. Okay, dump truck. Wow, what is this? It's kind of a sport car. Alright, yes, this is a sport car with a police car, my friend. Okay, done. Alright, what is this? Wow, this one is a sport car, my friend.
Shells out, man. Just hit the brakes. Jab the brakes, jab the brakes, jab the brakes. All right, get it rolling. You're right there. Bring it to us next time.
Okay, so good. Stay there. And this one, what is this, my friend? Alright, this is Tayo.
I'm sorry. Was it along this way?
Yellow color. Jiggy-jag. Hello, Tayo. Tayo. And this one, what is this, my friend? Okay, this is an aeroplane. Hello, Boeing. Where is your captain? Okay, Cap, have nice landing. Stay here. Okay, let's go. And this one. Wow, very cool, my friend. Rally car. Red, green color. Okay. Aha, this is the big one. Huge truck. Alright. Monster truck. Okay, giant. So big, my friend. Okay, cool. Stay there. And what else, my friend? What is this? Wow, this is Tayo again.
You should be careful when...
Jag. Hello, Tayo. Okay, stay there, Tayo. 1, 2. Alright, and this one, what is this, my friend? Okay, let's see. Amazing, this is Thomas. Okay, so good. Stay there. Alright, what is this? Can you guess, my friend, what is this? Okay, let's see, my friend. Oh, this is the Hensamen Tometer. Alright. Okay. Dah. Alright, stay here with others, loader. It's almost done, my friend. Well, what is this? The black one.
I didn't mind telling you,
Okay, very cool. Wow, amazing. This is a Mullen truck. Okay, good. Other, and this one, what kind of car this one? This is a snow tractor. Okay, nice. Oh, two more left, my friend. This is a dump truck. Alright, very good. Very nice. Dump truck, stay here. Where is there? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bye bye.